Alright, broskies, we're right here at the DMV. Check it out. We're getting our bin verification. Hopefully
goes smooth.
Yeah, hopefully everything goes smooth and they don't bitch about anything. I'm a little nervous, way. I'm scared. I'm scared a little bit.
After this, we need one more
braking lamp and that's it. But braking lamp, I got it set up already. So this is the one that's worrying me a little bit. But if it goes good, then your boy's gonna be in the street pretty soon. I mean, I'm already in the street, so. So yeah, we're just waiting.
Stay positive way.
Yeah,
no negativity.
Es todo pinche fondo. Yeah, we're at the DMV. And fucking Alfonso cutting line, so we didn't have to make line.
A huevo, güey.
Hueles. Mira, ahí en Alfonso, pero más prietito, mira. Ey, peloncito. No, yo. We're going to a car meet right now. My bad, I brought my other camera, but I didn't bring the battery, so I'm gonna have to record with this GoPro. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Check it out. Right here at Detail Garage, getting those products. Check it out, broskies. We're right here with the compa Rigo. He's the one that did my registration for the car. So everybody thank him for letting me drive my car in the street. ¿Verdad, güey?
Yeah.
¿Sí se puede, verdad?
Yeah.
Chingón. Finally, huh? Alright, so Christian just bought this butter weight waxer. We're gonna see if we can take off this sticker glue.
If it comes off, but I don't know. It doesn't look like it is. Oh. Let's see what it does with that.
All right, broskies, we just got back from the meet. I'm gonna take my girl and kids to eat, and then after that I'm gonna go watch the daily. I never show love to the daily, so we're gonna wash it up and make her look pretty. She's all dirty. I got all my shit. All right, broski. So I'm here at the taco spot where I told you. Check it out. Damn. And then right here, we got some French fries. What's up? Those are your French fries. Yes, French fries. Try it out. Fucking bomb. Está mamada. So yeah, it's called Mario's Tacos, and they're in Pico Rivera. Check them out. The corner of Durfee and Whittier. Check it out, broski. She's nice and clean.